Alright, so right now we're walking down to the beach. I'm gonna go have a beach day. Right now it's a bit rainy, but you know, I think it's gonna be a good day at the beach. It's about 50 degrees right now. Hopefully the water's a bit warmer. Yeah, alright. I'll let you know when I get to the beach. I got the towel set up. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my joggers off and get into my swimsuit. Okay, got my swimsuit on, and we're gonna go jump in the beach. So turns out the water's cold. So I got just up to my knees in, and I realized I thought the water would be warm. You know, Spidey sense told me it would be warm, but I guess not. So I'll probably come back to the beach at some later point, and let's hope that happens. All right, see you on the walk back. Okay, so just got back from the beach. Took a shower. Felt really nice. The water was kind of cold. Probably won't be going back to the beach for a while. But good note. I was walking back home from the beach, and I actually met this girl. Her name's Jessica, and we have a date planned tonight. So I'm gonna go get ready for that, and yeah, it's gonna be good times. Okay, I'm gonna go in there, talk to her, and we're gonna go for a walk. I can do this. Alright, Jessica, we're at your house now.
Hey.
Oh no! Let me go use the bathroom!
Oh no! Oh no! Save me, Spidey boy! Where'd he go? Where's Spidey boy? Save me! Spidey boy!
Let her go! Okay.
Oh, you saved me. So, this is the part where we kiss right now, right?
Yeah. In the next episode!
Ring the ring go! No, Spidey boy! Spidey boy!
No, Jessica!
Spidey boy, where did you go?
Bro. Yeah.
So it's okay.
This is just checking the angle again.
Stop, go.
Okay. Oh, this is actually a good angle. Okay.
But you're too low. Your head's on the ground. So this is the part where we kiss right now, right?
Yeah.
Let me have some of that gum.
Okay.
I'm feeling romantical.
JJ, let go. Let go.